Hi student, today in the power sharing lesson we will study the last topic, why the power sharing is desirable. That is very important topic, and mostly over this topic the 3 marks question can be appear in the exam. So as I am telling and as the way I am explaining the answer, you should listen it very carefully. So student, in the first there are two strong reasons to justify it why the power sharing is desirable. In the first there are two basic reasons which has been told. One is the prudential reason and second is the moral reason. Prudential reason means when we take the calculations on the gains and loss, or when we take the decision, or when we reach at the decision by thoughtfully with the intelligently. So in such a way, when we talk about anything, we just think about the difficulties, obviously we will take a better outcome. And the second reason is moral reason. Moral reason means when we are just emphasizing or focusing over the participation, because without the participation, without the action, or without the involvement in the system, we cannot improve anything. Only the talkings cannot be very essential. Without the talking, we have to improve our self actions in the system. Otherwise, without involving in the system, without the actions, the things cannot be in the better outcomes. So student, let we start. The prudential reason, it helps to reduce the possibilities of conflict. It helps to reduce the possibilities of conflict between the social group, because you know very well the social conflict often lead to the violence and political instability. That is very important things, because it reduces the possibilities of conflict. Possibilities of conflict means it gives the chance to every person to take the system, or take the, you will say, benefit part in the system. So in such a way, the social groups can feel the harmonial feelings, or the harmony feelings. Since the social conflict often lead to the violence and political instability, means when the social conflict has been appear in the politics or any system, that lead to the violence and political instability. Political instability means the things cannot be in proper order. If the things cannot be distributed in proper order among the levels, among the organs of the government, among the different communities, among the different type of the other, you will say, different type of the things cannot be distributed properly, so obviously they will not give the proper result. And second one is the power sharing is the good way to ensure the stability of political order. That is a very important thing, because if the power sharing can be applied, it obviously give the stability for a long time and political order, because the things can be divided, can be distributed among the different people, whatever they are working in the organs, whatever they are working in the levels, whatever they are find anywhere in the societies. So in such a way, political order the can be maintained for a long time. And last one is imposing the will of majority. Means when we impose our, we will say, feelings or the wishes over the other communities, means the minorities, it look like an attractive things for a short time only, but the things can be remain for a long time. So obviously it will undermine the unity of the nation, because when any minorities groups can be suppressed, as we have seen in Sri Lanka, obviously they have feeling the sense of alienations, and they felt themselves the isolated groups in the country. So they had protested, and their protestation turned into the civil war or in the violence. Obviously they had taken the way of terrorism, because they have not got any kind of the, you will say, enlightenment for their life, for the betterment. Next one is the moral reason. Moral reason means when we take in the actions, when we apply our action in the system. Means power sharing is the very spirit of the democracy. Very spirit of democracy means democracy is the system of the government and power sharing is the spirit of this system, because power sharing distribute the work of the people in the democracy in a very better way, so that there will be not any chances of the conflict among the people. Democratic rule involve sharing power with those affected by its exercise, means the ruler and who have to live with its effect, means the citizen. So both people can affected and affected in this system, because the ruler, they are chosen by the people and the people have the better chance or the better opportunity to choose their ruler. In such a way, the mutual bond can be generated between the people, means ruler and the citizen. And next one is people have a right to be consulted on how they are to be governed, means in the democratic system, if the power sharing is there, so obviously the people have a right to be consulted on how they are to be governed, means if they are living in the same country, so no one authority is there in the country who can ask them to means every person they have to ask to the people of the country that how they are to be governed. Otherwise the people can reject the people who are governing over themselves. As in the elections, many of the political parties, they offer different type of the choices, promises to the public, to the voters, and voters have the better option to choose the branding party. If the branding party is not available in the system, obviously they can go on the nota, means none of the others candidate is there in the system, so they can reject it every party also. This is the new phenomena in the Indian politics. Next one is the legitimate government, is one where citizens through participation acquire a stake in the system. Legitimate government is such government where the people can take participation through the discussion, debate and different type of the other actions, and they can stake in the system. In such a way they can influence the democratic system also, and in such a way the political parties also involved in the system, in the democracy. So hope student you are understanding this lecture over the lesson power sharing, why the power sharing is desirable, and this is very important topics. If any kind of the problems, doubt over the topics, obviously you should ask, and please share my videos and like my videos also, and if possible, so please inform to the other people. Thank you to listen me and watching.